Graph using slope-intercept form. Well, this is not in slope-intercept form. Not yet. Slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. Now, the reason why slope-intercept form is so useful is once you have y all by itself, the number in front of the x is your slope, and the number floating around not attached to x is your y-intercept. So what I need to do is I need to get this into y equals mx plus b form before I can graph it. Now y is on the left, but so is 7x just floating around. If you have a 7x or the x term floating around on the left side or the same side as y, you do the opposite or the inverse of it to get rid of it. So we're going to subtract 7x because this is a positive x, and we're going to subtract 7x from both sides. That allows you to eliminate. Drop down the y. Now, I want to make this look like slope-intercept form. So rather than me saying 5 minus 7x, I'm going to write out negative 7x, and since that's positive 5, plus 5. And now that lines up with slope-intercept form. In slope-intercept form, when y is all by itself, the number in front of x is your slope. So your slope is negative 7. However, I'm not going to write out negative 7. Remember, slope is rise over run. So rather than saying negative 7, I'm going to make it negative 7 over 1. For my y-intercept is the number that's floating around all by itself once y is all alone. So since y is all alone and 5 is floating around, my y-intercept is 5. Now, when you graph something using slope-intercept form, you always start out by putting your point on the y-axis where your y-intercept is. So I'm going to go to 5 here and put a dot right there on 5. Now, my slope is negative 7 over 1. So that could be up and to the left. So since it's rise over run, I can go up 7, left 1. Well, here's the problem. If I try going up 7, I'm going to run out of room really quickly. So instead of going up 7, left 1, I can go down 7, right 1. So here's my dot. Let's go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and right 1. If we try it again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I run out of room. But that's okay. All you have to do to graph 2 points or to graph a line is all you need is 2 points. I know the Beatles said all you need is love, but in this case all you need is 2 points. So you have your points, you draw your line through those 2 points, and then you're done. So again, solving or rather graphing an equation in slope-intercept form requires you to get y all by itself. Once you do that, identify your slope, identify your y-intercept, put a dot on the y-intercept, and use your slope to put as many dots as you can, draw the line, and you're done.